This is the Schrade ST6CCP Pro Hunter. It doesn't say Pro Hunter on the package. I'll show you why it says it on the blade. I just told you. So, $10 knife. I got it at the survival store. And this one has no specs on it. A lot of the knives on the packaging have their blade steels and dimensions. This one has nothing. So, here's the knife. So, $10 knife, keep that in mind. When I got this, it did have okay, I can explain that. So it did have some side-to-side play. No up and down, but side-to-side. So what I did was I tightened the pivot so that there's no blade play. But now it's harder to open, and unless you open it quickly, the liner lock does not engage. So I'm not opening with two hands, I should say. So yeah, I use two hands. So that being said, this is definitely your $10 stereotypical knife. The handle is very comfortable. It's got like a rubbery feel, but it's very light. So I'm sure it's just a coating. The clip doesn't feel intrusive at all. Lanyard hole. What else? No jimping. Liner lock that when engaged is locked, and it's only because I tightened the pivot that I had some trouble with it. But I think it's worth it if I'm going to use this as a user. So there's your Pro Hunter. Now the blade shape, I kind of like it. It's got that recurve. It is a mid to high hollow grind with a swedge on the top. I don't know what the coating is or the steel, but I'll definitely run it through its paces. But yeah. Okay, definitely when you have that pivot locked up, because it does not, see, two-handed it'll lock up, so I just don't like the blade play. But anyway, there it is, the Schrade Pro Hunter. Okay, so finding information on it is not readily available, so I have no idea on the steel. There's 4 inches overall. That's just from an eBay seller, of course. I guess I could go to Schrade's website, but no.